REDKEN is a leading name in the hair care industry, known for its professional quality shampoos that cater to various hair needs. Established in 1960, REDKEN has continuously evolved to provide innovative solutions for hair concerns, making it a trusted brand among hairstylists and consumers alike. With a strong focus on science-backed formulas, REDKEN shampoos offer solutions for damaged, dry, color-treated, and frizzy hair, among others. One of REDKEN's standout features is its use of protein technology, which strengthens hair from within. Many of its shampoos contain ingredients such as arginine, citric acid, and soy protein that work together to repair and fortify strands. For instance, the REDKEN Extreme shampoo is designed for damaged hair, helping to prevent breakage and restore strength. Similarly, the REDKEN All Soft shampoo is enriched with argan oil, providing deep hydration and softness to dry hair. Another key aspect of REDKEN shampoos is their color-protecting technology. The Color Extend range is specifically formulated to maintain vibrant hair color while preventing fading caused by environmental stressors and washing. The acidic pH-balanced formulas help seal the cuticle, ensuring long-lasting color retention.